Every missed call, forgotten follow-up, or delayed reminder could be costing your repair shop real revenue. Now imagine if your shop could stay in every customer's pocket, right on their phone. Mobile marketing is no longer optional for repair shops. Customers live on their phones, and the shops winning today are the ones using digital wallet loyalty, SMS updates, and automated reminders to stay top of mind. America's Best Shops highlights a system where customers can add a loyalty card to Apple or Google Wallet with no app download required, then receive reminders and targeted offers based on service history. That means easier retention, faster rebooking, and fewer customers slipping away between visits. The platform also centralizes customer activity and supports personalized campaigns, making every service visit a chance to drive the next one. Picture a motorcycle repair shop that sees lots of one-time seasonal riders. They launch a QR-based wallet loyalty card at checkout. Customers instantly get points, then receive maintenance reminders before peak riding season. Instead of waiting for riders to remember, the shop drives repeat business proactively. The site claims repeat visits can increase by 56% with digital wallet loyalty, and that repeat customers spend more on average. If you want more repeat visits, stronger customer loyalty, and a smarter way to market your shop, start building a mobile-first system now. Audit how your shop handles reminders, loyalty, and follow-up. Then put those customer relationships where they belong, on mobile.